Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm super glad to have you. My name is Toyin. So in this video we're going to be creating a book cover design. I have this design that I want to create. It's quite simple, very straightforward, and it's very beautiful. So I'm going to show you the design and we're going to create that same design. So let's get at it. So the first thing is I'm going to show you the design. This is the design that we're going to be creating in this video. So follow me through as we get started. So the first thing is we're going to be using Canva for this design. I use other software, but for this particular video we're going to be using Canva, strictly Canva. So we are going to choose our template now, which is book cover. Canva has a lot of templates, I believe you should know. So we're going to be choosing book cover. Yeah, and this is the dimension for book cover. This is the dimension for book cover. So we are going to get started into our design. The first thing is I want to bring in my images. I have the image that I'm going to be using for this design, so I'm just going to bring in the image by coming to my upload here. Then I'll click on upload media, then device. Okay, so I'm going to go search for the image. Okay, I have it under YouTube and this is the image. Like, this design is very simple, just image and some font. Like I used to say, the image you use, your typography, your colors makes your design. They determine how well your design is going to come out. Like and this is one of my simplest design because I use a lot of image, but I do a lot of blending. If I show you some of the image that I got online and what it turned out to be after I was done, you're going to be amazed. But this design is quite straightforward. So I'm going to come here and I'll just adjust it. More like we are done with our design. More like we are done. So let me show you. Yes, more like we are done with it already. So I'm going to zoom in now. Then I'm going to type I think I can adjust this a little, brighten it up. You can just, yes, I can brighten it up a little. So adjust. Okay, so the next thing is to type our title, which is nature's glow. Nature's glow. Nature's glow. Okay, so I'm going to check for the fonts. I have the fonts in the folder for the design. So I have fonts. So I have Leak Gothic. So I'm going to change this to, just type the name of the font. Okay. 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 Okay, so I'm going to make this a little bigger. Yeah, make it bigger. Then I want to adjust the space in between. You can see the space in between natures and glow is quite much, so I want to try to reduce it. To do that, all I need to do is to come to my line spacing. You can see the line spacing. We have letter spacing. Letter spacing is if you're trying to space the letter in between, like you're trying to space the letter in between NATUR, but the line spacing is to close up. You can either close up the space in between the nature and glow, or you can either increase it based on what you're looking at. So I'm going to reduce it. Fine. Okay, so The next thing is to type our author's name and the subtitle. So I'm going to just type the subtitle. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to use a random text. So I'll just make this okay like our subtitle. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to ungroup this now. So to ungroup, just click on it, then click on the three dots menu here, then say ungroup. Okay, now I'm going to adjust this and maybe make it a little bigger. You can maintain the same font, or better still, you can change it to font. So I'm going to copy this, I'll duplicate it, then I'll use it for my author's name. So I'm going to type my author's name. Ada Uche. Yeah, it's going to be in capital letter. Then I'm going to make it bigger. Yeah, more like we're done. You're done with this design. Just ensure that everything is in the center. Click on each, then click on the three dots, center. Click on this also, position. It's already at the center, that is why the center is not showing. Then this also, position, then center is already at the center. So we are done with this design. We can either, if I want to use the font that I use in the main design, I think I use one font name, Abatos Slab. I'm not sure, let me search for it. Abatos, I'm not sure I have it here. I actually I didn't make the design on Canva. Actually, I just want to take the course on Canva, so we can maintain the same font. It's really beautiful. You can increase this a little and just place it here, ensure it's in the center. So that will be all for this tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the notification button, because I'll be dropping a lot of video henceforth. Thank you for watching. Bye.